this is Doug and welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing a review of Bachmann N scale. Now, in this set, you get a beautiful locomotive here. It's made of solid metal. Very heavy for how small it is. Very detailed for how small it is. You get a, for some reason, a Rio Grande boxcar. A random wagon that is, it's a Burlington Northern open top. And a Santa Fe caboose. In terms of working stuff, you get the classic, absolute classic Bachmann controller here. Beautiful, always worked for me. Train wires to connect to the track, which there was a lot of. And wall plug. Wall plug. With the Super Chief set, you also get 12 of Bachmann's Easy Track, which is very easy to snap together sometimes, and looks basically like real track as soon as it was placed. Not very dirty, and looks very nice, and runs really well. Now enjoy footage of me putting together a bunch of the track so that we have a full loop to show. Now it is time to run the train. We have a Santa Fe FD7, I'm pretty sure, Burlington Northern open top, Rio Grande boxcar, and a Santa Fe caboose. Let's go. Now this train is very loud. It goes very fast in model scale, and is very small. And after this review, I really like Bachmann N scale. Very nice quality. While the cars don't match up, it looks good. And even in such small cars, small trains, we get a light, like a full-on light. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time!